Draftit uses a Properties Explorer which displays the settings of the item being drawn or modified. By default, this is docked to the right edge of the program window here, although it can be docked to any edge of the program window or positioned in free space. The display of the Properties Explorer can be turned on or off with this option, located on the Show Hide section of the Views and Settings ribbon. Now let's select the green line here. The Properties Explorer now displays the settings of this entity. You can see here that we can change any of these settings, for example the colour. Let's change it to red and click back in the drawing area to deselect the line to see the change. Before we look at some other properties, let's change it back to green. So you can see how easy it is to make changes. We can also use the Properties Explorer to change the layer and line style. You will notice here in the location section we have the start and end point coordinates of the line. If we click on the plus sign to the left of the endpoint, we can see the X and Y coordinates. We can edit these values, so let's reduce the line length by 20 units. Now if we hit the Tab key to exit, the field line adjusts accordingly. Likewise, if we grab the end of the line and move it back to the perpendicular point, you will see the Properties Explorer update. The appearance of the window changes depending on the item being drawn or modified, so we can see some different properties if we select the hatching here. If we select multiple items like these three lines, the Properties window displays only common properties. In this instance, only the layer is common. All of the other properties are different from each other, so the other fields are blank. This doesn't mean that you can't change them. You could, for example, change the colour of all three lines in exactly the same way as we did earlier. So the Properties Explorer displays changes according to the entity type selected. If we pick the dimension, you can see that it has a lot of properties. You will also notice the ribbon changes showing the editing options for a dimension. Certain entities have editing options in the ribbon. You can make changes using that or the Properties Explorer. It makes no difference. Let's change the text height and size of the arrowhead.